In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename a project in ElevenLabs quickly and easily. If you've got a project that needs a better name, a cleaner label, or just something more organized, this is a simple workflow that only takes a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ElevenLabs and go into Studio. Once you're inside Studio, take a look at your list of projects and select the one you want to rename. This is the project you'll be updating, so make sure you click the correct one before changing anything. After the project opens, look at the top of the editor. You'll see the current project name displayed there. This is the name you're going to edit. Click directly on that project name and it should become editable. Now type in the new name you want to use for the project. You can rename it to match your content, your client name, your workflow, or whatever organization system works best for you. Keeping your projects clearly labeled makes it much easier to stay organized, especially if you're working on multiple voice projects at once. Once you've entered the new project name, press Enter on your keyboard or simply click outside the name field to save the change. That's it. ElevenLabs will update the project name immediately, and your new title will now appear in the editor and in your project list. If you don't see the change right away, just give it a moment and make sure the rename actually saved. Usually, pressing enter or clicking away is all you need. And if you ever want to rename it again later, you can repeat the same steps anytime. So just to recap, open Studio, select your project, click the current project name at the top, type the new name, and press enter or click outside the field to save. It's fast, simple, and a great way to keep your ElevenLabs workspace clean and organized. If this video helped, please give it a like. Subscribe for more tutorials and let me know in the comments what ElevenLabs feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.